Okay, our next topic is emerging challenges and opportunities for organizational behavior. Okay, the first uh, thing is improving ethical behavior. Okay, so this is we can take this aspect both in opportunity wise and challenge wise. Each and every aspect, okay, can be considered as an opportunity, as a challenge. It depends upon the potentialities of the organization, how it utilizes. Okay. Coming to first one, improving ethical behavior. Today, people in the organizations need to face various ethical dilemmas to find out what is wrong and what is right in the work assigned to them. But there are some unethical practices in the organizations too, which makes it difficult for organizations to adopt ethical behavior. Hence, it is the major challenge for organizational behavior today. Okay, uh, ethical behavior in the sense the organizations should follow the moral values. Okay, which should not affect the society, which should not affect the consumer. Okay, which should not affect the employees in the organization. All the stakeholders who are related with the organizations, they should not be affected by the organizations. Here there will be no rules and regulations or no any norms will not be there regarding ethical behavior, but uh, it is a common sense. Okay, uh, we have to execute the ethical behavior depending upon the situations there. So we have to consider the human beings in a moral way, ethical way. We have to follow the moral rules. For example, uh, we have to construct our organization, our industries, such a way that it should not create a heavy pollution which will affect ultimately the health of the people who are residing near to our organization. So it is an ethical or moral value of an organization. Okay, but at the same time, it will be a challenging aspect for the organization also. Why? Because industries means constructing, establishing industries means definitely there will be some pollution. Okay, but it has to take some measures regarding that. Therefore, improving ethical behavior at one aspect, it is opportunity, because if at all we follow basic environmental concepts which are helpful for the society, it will definitely a positive aspect for the organization, because people have a positive impact on our products. Okay, therefore it will be opportunity, but and other thing is the challenge. Therefore, in two ways we have to think about ethical behavior. Coming to respond to globalization. Okay, as businesses expand to various locations and countries, globalization become the major challenge in front of hobby. Okay, why? Because we should be very proactive in this globalization. Here, other countries' products also consumed by us. They how means by utilization of vast internet facilities, online facilities. Okay, we are using different products from different countries, but we should be very proactive in transportation. Okay, giving quality goods with low prices like that. Therefore, we should be very, very proactive regarding the customers, their needs. Okay, the supply according to their demand, the supply of our products should be there, right? Therefore, we have to, according to globalization, okay, we have to cope up with the globalization needs of the customer in time. We have to respond in time. Okay, and therefore it is a challenge. But if at all we have used it, if at all we are very proactive regarding expansion of our business, okay, or regarding globalization of our products means, definitely it will be an opportunity for our organization, because our customers will increase. Okay, expanding our business. Okay, therefore it will be a opportunity. Coming to managing workforce diversity. Managing workforce diversity means heterogeneous employees will be there in an organization. Heterogeneity employees means differences, okay, differences between employees. How we will differentiate the employees? Depending upon the age, depending upon the gender, depending upon the values, depending upon the culture, attitudes, okay. All these will be known as the workforce diversity. But if at all, if we manage workforce diversity well, means then it will create productivity in the organization. But it is a challenging aspect because we have to accommodate all these section of people properly. If at all we are not accommodating those people with their needs, okay, they have their own needs, their own style, okay, their own lifestyles, their own cultural values, all should be facilitated by the management to those employees. That means we have to manage workforce diversity. Therefore, it is a challenge and an opportunity to organization. Improve in quality and productivity. Nowadays, number of programs such as quality management are being implemented to bring improvement in productivity. OB has challenged that is important to match the desired level of quality and productivity with our changing demands. See, improvement in quality and productivity means nowadays customers are changing rapidly. Their taste and preferences were changing rapidly. Okay. Therefore, according to the environmental changes, okay, according to the needs and preferences of the customer, we should also develop our products. We should also improve our quality. We should also improve our productivity measurements, okay, like that. It will be a challenge and an opportunity. Coming to improvement in public skills. Okay, why public skills means uh, here the employees who are working in the organization, according to the business environment changes, they should also accelerate their skills. Okay, acceleration of their skills in the sense speed up their skills, update their skills regarding technical aspects, interpersonal skills, okay, managerial skills, conceptual skills, different decision making, communication. In all these aspects, the employees should cope up with the external environment changes. Okay, therefore, if at all they are not that much skilled, if at all they are not matching with the external environment, definitely it will be a challenge for the organization. Or else, if at all they are very much updated towards environment, then it will be an opportunity for the organization. Improving customer service. So business is unsuccessful if it fails to treat the customer well and provide them better services. That is why in each and every organization, the customer service uh, is a must and should. It is a separate department. Okay, why? Because in order to have a give better customer service, in order to give improved customer service is given by the organizations. Okay, so every organization needs to develop a better understanding with its customers by taking reviews. Okay, review of a customer is very valuable for the organizations. Why? Because a positive comment will create increase the sales, okay, increase the marketability. Or else a negative comment, it will badly hits the organization. Therefore, we have to improve customer service. We have to know the reviews. We have to know the opinion of the customer regarding our product. If at all any modifications are needed regarding our product, means we have to update our product. Coping with temporaries. Managers and employees must cope with temporariness as product cycle changes are slim due to changes in methods of operations. They have to learn with flexibility and unpredictability. Here, coping with temporaries means the managers and the employees of the organization, according to the environment changes, they should also change. They should be very flexible. Okay, the managers or employees should be very flexible. They have to learn if at all there are any changes. They have to predict. Okay, they have to predict about the external environment conditions. Why? Because product life cycle skimming means The product life cycle is shortening the life cycle of the product. Means, for example, if we take phones, means, so today we are having Xiaomi, for example, phone, means it has version 8, 9, 10, like that. Features were increasing. Okay, like that. As the features were increasing, new version is coming into this one. Okay, under the product life cycle. Therefore, previous phone will be deteriorated. Therefore, like that, the product life cycle is slimming. Therefore, new ideas, new innovations should be there. Okay, according to the external environment, according to the environmental changes in the market. Here the managers also should cope up, should match with the environment by flexibility and prediction. Okay, and in this, the organizational behavior helps those managers and employees in order to understand the current state of work, stimulate innovation and change. Today, every organization has to stimulate innovation and change in the business environment. OB helps them in understanding the business environment in such a way that any factor of business environment can directly or indirectly affect the organization's people. Okay, so organizations has to stimulate innovation, means they have to adopt, they have to create innovations. Okay, they have to accept the innovations, they have to encourage the creativity in the organization. Why? Because in external environment, we are seeing many changes. Without innovations, sustainability in the market is not possible. Okay, therefore, here organizational behavior, the study of organizational behavior, it helps. Okay, in this case, how means business organizational behavior means it studies the whole environment, internal environment and external environment of the organization. External environment means, as I said before, it will analyze the pestle analysis, like what were the political aspects, economic aspects, legal aspects, socio-cultural aspects, technological aspects, any changes were going on the external environment and how they will affect our organizations. Okay, like that, an analysis will be made by the, or a study will be made in the organizational behavior regarding the environment. Therefore, all these will help in the innovations and change. Okay, so this is all about the